Today we're gonna be making a gatefold simple folio using the new release Gnome Honeybee by Knitweed Collections. Let's go ahead to make it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and today I am sharing this gatefold folio that measures 6.5 by 9 inches or 16 by 23 centimeters. It has room for 15 photos 6 by 4 inches or 10 by 15 centimeters. It is decorated with beautiful digital papers by Knitweed. And for sure, if you are a gnome and at the same time bee lover, this is an exciting paper pack to use it as you wish. It includes a lot of cute gnome elements and lovely sentiments, labels and tags as well. Also, it has a variety of different fun color background papers. So, to build the folio I'm using black cardstock 200 GSM weight. But you can use any color of cardstock you'd like. I burnish well all the scoring lines with a bone folder. And I put double-sided tape on the half-inch parts. Now I am going to decorate the folio with these really so fresh papers. I decided to go with a simple decoration using for the covers 3 A4 pieces of printed beautiful backgrounds. These strips of paper are 1 1/4 of an inch by 6 inches. Here are some elements such as gnomes, sentiments, flowers, labels. This is a big journaling card. And here are some of the unique patterns. Different colors, patterns can give you so many opportunities to create cards as well as a lot of other projects. And here we have our pictures, which are 4 by 6 inches size or 10 by 15 centimeters. This square element is 5 by 5 inches, and I am going to use a 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 black cardstock to stick in on it, just because I'm going to put some magnets. That was the tutorial for today. I hope you got inspired. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!